Hey Boom Bros, you already know who it is.
Presenting my Farshot handle extensions. These 3D printed extension pieces extend the handle of the BOOMco Farshot. To install these pieces, first you need to cut a line about 2 millimeters underneath the middle screw port. File down the edges of your cut till they are level. And then open up your shell as shown here. I initially glue the 3D printed piece in with a few dabs onto the shell and onto the 3D printed piece. And then I use a baking soda and super glue technique, which makes the super glue cure very fast and hard. For this technique, you want to place dabs of super glue on the parts you want to bond, and then wipe away the excess, and then sprinkle on baking soda. Do this in layers about 3 times, and you'll have a super hard bond that will cure very quickly and cure fully in about an hour or so. After sanding and spraying with some adhesion promoter and Flex Seal, your grips can look like this too. Thanks for watching, and make sure to support my Etsy store in the link down below.